It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 28th of April. I'm James Spann. The weather stays warm through midweek. Got a few little sprinkles around this morning, but the next decent chance of rain will come late Thursday night into Friday morning. Let's take a look at things. Here's the upper air look across the country. Got a very deep trough coming into the southwest United States, strong upper air low that's located south of Phoenix, producing some active convection well to the west, but ridging is in place here across the deep south. Still, there are a few sprinkles on radar early this morning. One or two raindrops coming across the central counties of the state, but that will not last long. Most of this day will be dry. Temperatures generally in the 60s to start the day, although it's 71 for Tuscaloosa. We're expecting mid-80s again today with morning clouds and some afternoon sun. West of the state, a tornado watch for parts of Texas and Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas early this morning. Flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma, Missouri, up into the Ohio Valley, but things are quiet down here. A risk of severe storms today from Texas into parts of Pennsylvania and western New York. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from near Houston over to Philadelphia, north and west of Alabama. And day 3, which is Friday, there could be some thunder over about the southern two-thirds of Alabama, but again, severe weather not expected here. Rain for the next 7 days. The big numbers will be north and west of Alabama. Heavier totals in our state, up in the Tennessee Valley, about 1 inch for the Shoals and Huntsville. For most other locations, rain amounts 1/2 inch or less through Wednesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. There's the upper low that's west of El Paso, ridging here. And again, there could be a few sprinkles up over the Tennessee Valley, but for most spots today, we'll have morning clouds, the sky becoming partially sunny this afternoon with mid-80s. Tomorrow, the chance of rain holding just north and west of here. The sky will feature a mix of sun and clouds, and again, low to mid-80s are likely. And then tomorrow night, just after midnight, rain begins to push into the northern half of the state with a cold front, but again with weak dynamic forcing, hardly any instability, no chance of severe weather. There might be a rumble of thunder somewhere. And then by Friday afternoon, the better chance of showers shifting down into the southern half of the state. So again, for most locations, the better chance of rain with this feature about midnight tomorrow night until noon on Friday. Saturday looking good. The sky's sunny. The high will be close to 80. However, the models in both of them, both the GFS and the European, are now pulling moisture up back in here on Sunday, with a chance of a few scattered showers. So we'll adjust our forecast to include that possibility as we're getting better clarity and consistency here. So again, a few scattered showers Sunday, not a washout. The high will be in the upper 70s. Monday of next week, again cloudy. The chance of a few rain showers around, the high low 80s. Tuesday, we stay in a moist air mass. And again, we'll maintain the chance of a few widely scattered showers, nothing too widespread, the high in the 80s. And a week from today, Wednesday, May 5th, troughing to the north. And once again, some risk of showers. So after a dry day Saturday, we'll now bring in the chance of showers in that period Sunday through Wednesday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, May 7th, troughing on the East Coast. And that looks dry and pleasant. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 13th of May. Temperatures highs mostly in the 80s, lows in the 50s and 60s. And the CPC outlook, this is from May 5th through May 11th, showing temperatures around here above average during that time frame. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes, and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.